To solve x² + 3x - 4 equal to 0 by completing the square, we first take -4 to the right hand side, which we have x² + 3x equal to 4. We add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. The coefficient of x in this case is 3. And what is the square of half? The square of half of the coefficient of x is 3 divided by 2 all square. We add it to both sides of the equation and we have this. We can now take x and 3/2 and square them. X plus 3/2 all squared equal to, we simplify, 3 squared is 9 divided by 2 squared is 4. We repeat, x plus 3/2 all squared equal to 4 times 4 is 16 plus 9 divided by 4. The square root of 25 divided by 4, this will be equal to x equal to -3/2 plus or minus the square root of 25/4. We now deal with the square root, plus or minus 5/2. As you can see, we have -3/2 and we also have 5/2 in. At this point, we must have the same denominator so that you can take plus first or minus and divide by 2, or -3 minus 5 divided by 2. X will be equal to 2/2 or -8/2. And the final answer is 1 or -4.